Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5 English version, Math, Fractions chapter, exercise 6a. Question number 2. Change into mixed fractions or integers. We know already what is mixed fraction and what is integer. Integer means whole number. Mixed fraction that has integer and whole number. Okay, let us start with number 1, bracket 1. 7 by 3. 7 by 3. Now, this means 7 by 3. This is improper fraction. Why? Because 7 is larger than 3. Okay, now how we solve it? This means 7 divided by 3. 7 divided by 3. Let us divide 3 into 2, 6, 1. So this means 2 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 equals to 2 and 1 by 3. Answer. The answer is 2 and 1 by 3. Number 2. 21 by 5. By 5. Divide 21 by 5. 4 into 5 is 20. And just 4 and 1 by 5. So equals to 4 and 1 by 5. And that is the answer. 4 and 1 by 5. So always we make a cross here just to show that this is rough work. 3. Number 3 is 36 by 9 equals to, okay, 9 divides 36. So 4. 4 into 9 is 36 equals to 4. Answer is 4. It is that simple. Number 4. 78 by 11. 78 by 11. So we divide 78 by 11. 7 into 11 is 77. Remainder is 1. So 7 and 1 by 11 equals to 7 and 1 by 11. And that is the answer. 7 and 1 by 11. Number 5. 220 by 10. 220 by 10. We can simply get rid of or divide it by 10 means get rid of the 0. Then it becomes 22. What actually we do here by getting rid of 1 0? Let us see here what we do. 220, we can check here. Let us divide by 10, 220. So 10 into 2 is 20. 2 0. 10 into 2 is 20. So 22. This is the answer. Answer is 22. It's a whole number. So what we got, this is a mixed fraction, number 1, mixed fraction, number 2, 3 is a integer or whole number, 4 is a mixed fraction, 5 is integer. Let us always show that this is rough work. Okay. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.